This instrument is the Magnesynth, and the idea of the Magnesynth is that it is an open playground that allows you to experiment with a combination of physical strings, electronic synthesis, and physical computing. So it's all built on this frame, which allows you to very easily add different parts and move things around. And the main elements of the Magnesynth are the strings, the electronic synthesis section, which is using a Eurorack modular synthesizer. So here we're able to affect the sound and how it's processed. And the third element is the physical computing section. So this board here is a CircuitPython board, and this allows us to actually put our own code into the Magnesynth. And in this case, what we're doing is we're using this code to drive these servo motors, which are going to pluck the strings. And the idea is that by combining all of these elements into a single instrument, we're going to be able to experiment with new ways of playing, new ways of combining these different elements together, and we're going to get some of the expressiveness of the physical strings with the flexibility of electronic synthesis, and then this new possibility of actually programming motors, sensors, other kinds of actuators with the system. So the idea is that these plastic parts are 3D printed, so if we wanted to adjust a piece, we basically can come up with a new idea, a new modification, adjust the 3D file, print the new piece, and then it's very simple just to add in the new pieces into the rails. With the modular synthesizer, we can swap out the different synthesizer modules and try different things. There's a section here for some guitar effects pedals. And then with the CircuitPython board, we can load on new code and experiment with new types of combinations of logic, physical strings, and electronic synthesis. Part of the hope for the Magnesynth is for it to become a community instrument, and in some sense almost a new kind of folk instrument or a new media folk instrument where it's developed by different people, with different people making modifications, improvements, doing different experiments, finding new ways of playing. And so in that spirit, all of the files and instructions for making the Magnesynth are online at the Magnesynth website. We've got a GitHub where we share the code and different files for making it. And the hope is that through the involvement of the community, we'll actually be able to develop different modules and share them with each other. Anyone with a 3D printer should be able to recreate some of these parts. And I hope that the Magnesynth has a wide reach and is being able to be made by different people from all over the world.